Let me show you now how augmented reality and REFLEKT ONE makes an inspection more reliable, faster and easier for your frontline workers, especially when you can make it even smarter with live user input. Step 1. The viewer has initiated the object tracking and shows me the AR content on the real robot. The relevant information is shown in the right orientation, the right size and the time I need them. Here in the instruction are checkboxes, which I can tick to confirm that I have identified every cover on the robot. So you can use the user input with checkboxes to make sure you don't miss anything. It is good for all sorts of learners, for visual learners and textual learners. Step 2. Another checkbox to confirm something. In this case, I will confirm that I have detached all covers to get access to the switches. All my user inputs are saved and can even be sent directly to an endpoint, such as a CRM system, an IoT cloud, or quality management system outside the viewer. So it gives colleagues or remote experts the ability to easily retrace my steps. Step 3. It asked me if I have the right tools with me. If I do not have the right tools, it tells me which tools I should get. If I have the right one with me, it will guide me to the next step with the use of routing. This is great for anyone who is new, as it guides each user very intuitively and dynamically through the inspection process, depending on the user knowledge and the environmental conditions. So you already see that enriching AR content with user input improves inspections, trainings or maintenance procedures. But today, I have one more thing to show you, a new feature which many customers have been asking us for. The photo user input. In this inspection step, it asked me to document the actual setting on the machine with a photo. And by clicking on the photo user input button, I can take a picture of the real environment, or in this case, of the actual setting, to which I can refer later on if I need to. You don't need to work around with screenshots, leave the application, or even switch between different applications. You got everything in one place, the instructions as well as the possibility to document everything instantly. The picture will show up in the procedure as a preview. And with hitting the next button, the picture will be automatically submitted and you can always retake the picture if you need to. And when you come to the final step of this procedure, you will get a report. All the steps are summarized here. You remember the checkboxes at the beginning? They are all here. You remember the decision tree? It is here. So the report has collected all the decisions we have made during the inspection. It is perfect for anyone who needs to document specific steps in such a procedure, so that you can meet your industrial documentation standards and requirements in the simplest and most reliable way. Even more important for the frontline workers, they can avoid unnecessary work. I know so many people who will be super happy that they don't need to document their work on paper anymore, which they need to digitize thereafter with a huge effort. Of course, you can share the report as a PDF right from your device. In addition, as I said before, it will be submitted straight to a server as well. This makes it possible for any skilled or unskilled workers to submit accurate information anytime on the fly.